Assalamu alaikum. I am Smera from Digital Code Network. In this tutorial, you will learn about how to fix a slow computer. In order to speed up the process of the computer and startup, here are the steps that you need to follow for this. First of all, right-click the bottom bar of your desktop. Click on the Task Manager. Click on the tab which says Startup. The different process running on your computer will come up when you do this. Click on the particular process that you want to disable. On the bottom right corner of the Task Manager, you will see the Disable button. Click on it and your work will be done. Okay, next step is turning off the visual effects. Click on the Windows icon of Start menu and then click on Control Panel. Then click on System. Click the Advanced System Settings. Okay, settings in the left of system window. Now click on setting under performance. Okay, click on the advanced system settings. Then click on settings. Okay, this will open performance list when you can select or deselect the visual effects. Analyze the visual effects of your computer and choose the option which suits best your computer. Click on apply and then click on OK. Click on apply and then click on OK. Click on OK again and then close the system window and you are done. Thank you for watching this video. So you have learned about how to fix a slow computer. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get latest update about tips and tricks from Digital Code Network. Allah Hafiz.